Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Wyatt from the What's Inside Kids and Gaming. Me and Owen just uploaded 2 gaming videos. Be sure to go check those out. And they were both really laggy. Owen just complains that mine's laggy. Well, I was actually moving around. It was actually the same amount laggy. It's because he was just standing around most of the time. So that's how you couldn't tell. You could still tell it was a little laggy, but he was just standing most of the time. And he's complaining that mine's laggy. Alright, so anyways, we're gonna cut open a smoke detector for you guys. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that was so cool. Ooh, okay, this is actually really cool. And so first of all, you see we have a circuit board. We have the alarm thingy right here. And we got a broken circuit board. We got a little bit of wires. And that's what's inside a smoke detector. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like. Bye. Comment down below what we should cut open next. Bye.